मानो यार, वोट बनाता है सरकार, वोटिंग है अपना अधिकार, कर ले हम इसको साकार,
कर ले हम इसको साकार।
सोच समझ कर जांच परख कर चुने अपना जो उम्मीदवार, वोटिंग है अपना अधिकार, कर ले हम इसको साकार।
हम
यह संकल्प करते हैं कि लोकसभा चुनाव 2014 में
ये लोकसभा चुनाव 2014 में
वोट डालने जरूर जाएंगे।
Voter is the central actor in a democratic election. Voters' participation in the electoral processes therefore is integral to the successful functioning of democracy.
In this context of electoral participation, the Election Commission had started this electoral roll awareness exercise from Bihar in the 2010 assembly elections. At that time, it was started as VEEP, Voter Education and Electoral Participation. Later on, over the last 5 years, it has been improved upon, and it has got the present form of SWEEP, which is Systematic Voter Education and Electoral Participation.
The baseline survey conducted by the Election Commission to understand the rationale behind the falling voters' participation in Bihar certainly was significant in identifying gaps. Bihar takes pride of place in history due to Vaishali being the first republic of the world. The roots of democracy being so ingrained into the system of governance that the greater participation of the electors becomes integral part of election management in Bihar. Elections in Bihar was perceived were fought in the shadows of guns, and there was serious intimidation in socially and economically backward areas.
Right from the announcement of elections, so what we have to do for every day before the poll day was very clear. There was a clear route map. A month back, we started with all the preventive actions. We took certain deterrent action against people under CRPC sections. As the election progressed, we came closer to the D-Day. We started recovering weapons, alcohol, which can be the part of various allurement strategies or coercion strategies by the political players. And by now, I think we have achieved a fair degree of control, and we have instilled the kind of confidence in the electorate.
There were pockets which are still affected by boycott calls for polls by left-wing extremists, reducing voters' participation. All this, coupled with increasing migration for employment and higher education, resulted in declining voters' participations. Moreover, the transportation system in Bihar still remains very nascent despite massive improvement in conditions of roads. During elections, this also becomes an impediment in movement of voters to the polling booth. In some urban pockets, one sees seething undercurrent towards the lack of good candidates also affects the voters' turnout. Millions of electors not turning out at polling booths, elections to elections, and large number of eligible citizens still missing from the electoral roll do not fetch credit to the great Indian democracy.
हमको जो अधिकार नहीं मिलता है वो तो हम बहुत लड़ के मांगते हैं कि हमको ये अधिकार चाहिए, हमको वो अधिकार चाहिए। औरत लोग पीछे नहीं रहती हैं अधिकार मांगने में। पुरुष लोग को भी देखते हैं कि रोड जाम कर देंगे, चाहे स्ट्राइक कर देंगे और अपना अधिकार मांगेंगे। लेकिन जो अधिकार 18 वर्ष के बाद हमको अपने आप मिलता है, उस अधिकार का हम कभी प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं या उसमें पीछे रह जाते हैं। वो है वोट देने का अधिकार।
Questions arose as to how to improve or enhance the participation. The answer has been found in systematic voters' education. It was in this background that SWEEP, the Systematic Voters' Education and Electoral Participation Campaign, was launched and rolled out for parliamentary elections 2014 in Bihar. The overall approach of SWEEP in Bihar was to reach out to each and every voter through research, media and communications, resource mobilizations, effective steering of partnerships, conducive law and order, confidence building measures through deployment of paramilitary forces, information, motivation and facilitations. Three main strategies that was adopted to facilitate the process were electoral roll revision, voters awareness and voters facilitations. Voters awareness campaign was carried out at all points of public interactions, right from household to panchayat and the district level. Large hoardings adorned pictures of famous personalities, appealing voters to come out in large numbers. Radio jingles and TV advertisements had wrung the ears of listeners and viewers throughout the day. It was voting, voting, and more appeal for voting. This strategy in the state was complemented by voters' facilitations and electoral roll revision campaigns. The electoral roll revision in 2014 added 38.7 lakh new voters. 15.8 lakh more voters were enrolled through special camps before the elections, leading to an overall increase of 9%. Women-specific campaigns were designed for the registration, inclusion of photo in the electoral roll, and issue of EPIC. Polling stations in Bihar with lower voters registration and reasons thereof identified. In addition to that, the polling stations with high number of excluded sections were also identified. Commission in Bihar took all the steps possible to facilitate registration of voters with least convenience to them. In order to create an enabling environment for electors, various voter facilitation measures such as provisions of basic minimum facilities, voter slip distribution, online registration, complaint facilities, GIS-based polling station location facility, web-based search facility, state helpline number 1950 and SMS-based information facility 56677 were made operational in the state. In Bihar, facilities available at different levels was utilized like panchayat level through panchayat buildings, school, health sub-centers, Anganwadi centers. Similarly, voters could also avail details of the electoral roll information through SMS facility by sending a text message ELE space EPIC number to 56677. These voter facilitation measures went a long way in creating conducive environment which prompted the voters to come out in large numbers. The whole exercise was to motivate and facilitate people to come out in large numbers and vote.
हर कोई इस वक्त चाहे वो जवान हो चाहे बूढ़ा हो चाहे वो उम्र के अंदर में है सर, तो सब चाह रहे हैं कि हम आकर के वोट दें, हमारा वोट पड़े। तो वोट की अहमियत जब है तब तो
Effective partnership with educational institutions like universities, colleges, schools were carefully built in order to educate the students on subjects related to democratic electoral practices and participation. Celebrities from Bihar who were recognized across the states like Ratan Rajput, Sharda Sinha, who were the brand ambassadors for Election Commission Bihar, traversed almost the entire state, appealing to people to come out in large numbers and vote. A large segment of the electorate who were not covered by formal education system had developed an apathetic attitude, or those who are physically cut off from the mainstream due to various reasons were brought under the ambit of focused voters' education. Such segments were reached through partnership with civil society organizations and government departments working for the welfare of vulnerable sections in the state. A large number of organizations like Bihar State Road Development Corporation Limited, Bihar State Bridge Construction Corporation Limited, Education Department, and many more from the government side, and quite a few private enterprise also came forward and extended the support to the cause. Self-help groups members under Jivika played a very significant role in creating awareness about electoral participation among the rural communities, especially women, through rallies, Nukkad Natak, house-to-house visits, posters and hoardings, and other innovative initiatives in Bihar. Awareness drive by members of Mahila Samakhya, Mahila Vikas Nigam, Literacy Mission, Department of Health, Department of Social Welfare, Department of Art, Culture and Youth, and Information and Public Relation Department also helped in creating an environment which culminated into improved figures of voters turnout.
वोटिंग हम सब का अधिकार है और हम सब इसे इस बार एक्सरसाइज करेंगे।
बाल बच्चा ठीक से चले, नेता निमन मिले, पढ़े लिखे बाल बच्चा, विकास हो, आगे बढ़े।
मैं पहली बार वोट दे रही हूँ। हम ऐसा नेता चुन के लाएं जो हमारे गांव के लिए, हमारे देश के लिए कुछ करे।
With the election process over and one of the most fiercely fought elections, the resultants are now evident with significant rise in voting percentages. It is also time to ponder over how to improve upon figures in the next elections. There has been a geographical variation in voting patterns, but the overall picture has seen a rising trend. But as the saying goes, miles to go. The future augurs well, looking at the trends when more gaps can be plugged and better environment created, and voters would look at voting with more, greater and meaningful participation, so that we can truly say that Bihar and India is ruled by a truly representative government. Our nation and democracy would be more vibrant, representing aspirations of all sections of people.